Hello guys, today we're going to fight spiders. There's the other one. Maybe I'm risking all of my spiders because this is only one and this is only one. Okay, we're going to start up grabbing this, which is kinda hungry. Any mostly balloons. Balloon is where they shoot out webs. So yeah. And this is one of my oldest spiders. Let's see. It's kinda fast now. Alright, here we go. Oh dang, my old spider. They're beaten. Punch them. Okay, here we go, round 2. Oh, damn. My new spider, they took him out. Oh, dang. It got the string. This is my new spider, this is my old spider. What the heck? Round 2. This is the new, this is the old. I mean, this is the old, this is the new. Okay, the new is coming for the attack. Dang! Oh! You see that? Damn! Dang! Okay. Dang! Is blood okay? Let me feed it to him. Dang. Bro, okay? Oh. It's completely paralyzed. They beat each other. Yep, I completely missed. Oh, nice. Let me grab this one. As you can see, guys, here. Do you guys see it? It's completely bleeding. Rest in peace. I think this is first feeding now. And this one is hurt, but still moving. So who was the better Venom? My new one. Let me feed it to him, so he can regain his powers again. Rest in peace, bro. Bro, turn around. Bro, turn around. Your meal, okay. Your meal is right there. It's completely paralyzed. Go for it. Okay, he's completely going for it. Go. Okay. Yeah, it bited him. Look. Damn, that's painful to watch. Oh. Okay, wrap him up, bro. Yeah, wrap him up. My favorite part is the wrapping. Oh. Oh my gosh. Satisfying, bro. Satisfying. Wrap him up. Wrap him up. Wrap him up. Bro, wrap him up. You're hungry, right? Why don't you wrap him? Oh. What the? Wrap him up, bro. Wrap him up. Okay. Oh, he's biting him. Dang. Wait, let me see. Okay, he's totally biting it. I think I can see the fangs. Rest in peace, my little brother. My main golden spider has been defeated. Let me bring it down so he's completely comfortable. Oh. Alright guys, I'm going to bring him up. Okay, he's wrapping him up. Let me see the wrapping there. Okay, he's eating him right now. Alright, bye guys.